How do we, as normal users, as users who are not able to read code, or maybe we are able to read code, I don't know, depends on the user. How do we learn to trust blockchains? I mean, it's a kind of a paradox, right? It's a trustless technology, but we need to trust blockchains. So what do we do in this case? What do we do here?
So I have an answer that most people don't like. And the answer is that it takes time. All of these systems right now are experiments. Even Bitcoin, it's been roughly 14 years at this point. In the time span of humanity, 14 years is not a long time. Ethereum's been around for 6 years. The crypto space, our sense of time is so warped because the technology is iterating so quickly and builders are sprinting ahead and trying to get to this end state. But fundamentally, what I believe will happen is we're going to have a subset of protocols that are going to be here 3 decades from now. They're going to be here for 5 decades from now. And every single year that ticks by is proof to the people that can't read code that hey, a lot of people are using this. It works really well. It's fast. It's fluid. These apps make sense. This makes my life easier. I feel more empowered. So I think that's the hard answer. This stuff is going to have to just take time to prove itself. And everyone trying to jump in right now, you're still an experimenter. It's interacting with these new apps. The UI UX is not super simple compared to something like a Venmo-like experience. And I think that it's just the tech, on top of just time improving, I think we'll also see professionalism in the space also continue to increase. So the first people that jumped in the last 5-6 years with the ICO boom, there's lots of fast money. People are sprinting through trying to create products. There's a lot of flash in the pan. How do we attract users? But a real sign of really solid products is the maturation tied to the user experience, such that when your mom and dad come in and use it, it's not what the frick is these 8 different buttons? This is confusing. And I think the bridging experience in crypto will continue to improve. The mobile experience, we're still so early on the mobile side of things with crypto. There's such a long ways to go on that front compared to Web 2. So in summary, why do people not trust it? Because we haven't really, the key variables is that the tech isn't proven and the UI UX doesn't tell people that they're safe. And I think both of those things will improve with time.